Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Unbounce for A/B testing and conversion tracking step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Unbounce account. Navigate to the dashboard where your landing pages are listed. Select the landing page you want to set up for A/B testing. Click on the A/B test option located within the landing page settings. Choose the Create New Variation button to generate a new variation of your landing page. Make the desired modifications to your new variation. After completing your changes, click on Save to retain your edits. Next, you'll need to configure conversion tracking. Navigate to the Settings tab on the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, select Integrations. Locate the Conversion Tracking section and click on Add Conversion Tracking. If using Google Analytics, select the Google Analytics option. In the prompted field, enter your Google Analytics tracking ID. Ensure that you have set up goals in Google Analytics to track conversions effectively. Once you have entered the tracking ID, click on the Connect button. Test the integration to confirm it's working properly by following the prompts. Return to your landing page settings and scroll to the A/B test section. Set your desired traffic distribution for the A/B test. Finalize the A/B testing setup by clicking Start A/B Test. Monitor the performance of your variations through the Analytics dashboard. Review the results periodically to determine which version performs best. Once you have sufficient data, analyze the findings to make informed decisions. Keep optimizing your landing pages for better conversion rates based on insights gathered. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.